Hi guys, it's me Kia again. And if you can already tell, I'm vlogging again. And no, I'm not going on a trip or anything. It's just like a day camping sort of thing. So it's like we'll spend the whole day in jungle and then come back home in the evening. Today is like 31st of January, so I thought let's finish this first month of the new year with a bang. Okay, with a camp. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and I thought let's take you guys along with me and show you how I spend my whole day in jungle. I just cannot stay away from jungles, right? If you have ever been to camping or you know about camping, you would know that it takes a lot of planning and organization, right? You cannot just go into the jungle and spend the whole day there. Actually, you can do that, but if you want to enjoy, do things, cook food there, and have some activities and play with your friends over there, then you need some planning and organization. So I'm going with this group, Youth Hostel Association of India. I'll mention the name on the screen in case you missed it. So it's like a tracking group here in my city, that is the Lake City unit of YHAI. I'll mention all the details about them of my city. Like if you are in Bhopal or nearby and you want to join a tracking group, I'll mention all the details down in the description box below. You can check that out. They organize such camps or some tracks like night tracks, day tracks, national tracks, sand tracks. So if you are into tracking now, you should definitely check this group out. You can also become like a lifetime member for a nominal fee, and again, you have to pay a nominal fee for every track and you can enjoy it. Both my mom and dad like are members of this association and they enjoy these tracks, yeah. Plus, this is like a nationwide association, so I'll mention their national website also down in the description box below in case you are not in Bhopal or anything. So yeah, I'm going with them, and let's see how the day goes. It's currently 7:10 and we have to leave like in 5 minutes. So I'm all ready actually. I'm done with my breakfast and everything. Actually, not breakfast, just tea, because breakfast is also provided by them. So yeah, I believe we should get going before it get too late. So yeah, come on, let's go. Hi guys. So we are like a pit stop in between. It's a long way to go still, and here is mom. Mom, say hi. Hi. Dad is also there this time. I'm at Kolar Dam, and as you can see, it's all water behind me. So beautiful, you guys. So we're just stopping here for a bit just to get in the scene. Our destination is different. It's a little bit far away from here. Okay. So yeah, it's so beautiful. We're just stopping here for a few minutes and then we'll be on our way to our final destination. All right, guys. So we have reached the destination. This is this place. It's all like jungle around me, and here is Papa. That's mom right there. And let's see. Actually, I think we have to go down there. Can you see that river water over there? I guess we have to go there, but we'll see. But yeah, it's a beautiful place, like middle of jungle. I guess I just cannot stay away from wild, right? So yeah, this is the place, and let's see what we do here the whole day. Yay! Okay, guys, so apparently we have to go down this hill from here only. So I'm not sure how much you'll see in the vlog because I have to be very careful with my step. I don't want to fall over here and injure myself. So yeah, let's see how that goes, and I hope I make it to the bottom safely. Actually, we all make it to the bottom safely. So let's get going. That was almost a jump, and yeah, we made it to the bottom safely. Alright guys, so currently I'm roaming into this wild jungle all by myself. Actually, we are going on a track of maybe 2 to 3 kilometers soon. So I'm gonna go on that. It's not like mandatory to go, but I thought since I've come here, I'll go. And yes, I have an apple. I had my breakfast and then some fruits, so apple. And yeah, this is about it for now. Actually, I don't know what the time is, but it must be somewhere around noon. So yeah, this is the update. Currently our lunch is being prepared. I show you the site. People are playing something, and yeah, I'm roaming into the wilderness all by myself. But yeah, I'm pretty excited for the track. Let's see where they take us and how the track is, how the trail is, and I'll take you along with me. So till then, stay tuned. Okay guys, so the track is on. Let's go. Okay. Papa is going with me, mom is staying here. Let's see how it goes and let's start the fun. Okay guys, now it's a steep climb, so I got to be focusing on the ground rather than on my camera. So yeah, just bear with me because this is like a rough trail and I have to be very careful. Don't want to injure myself. I'm already out of breath. But let's keep going. So this is where we came from, guys. I'm already out of breath, but we'll keep going and we have to go much, much, much higher. Let's go. So guys, this was the climb. It was pretty steep. I thought I couldn't do it. I'm so out of shape, but yes, we managed. Now we have to go forward, and this is the way everybody's gone. Like, we should also proceed. So let's go. Okay guys, so we completed like the whole track ना. कितने किलोमीटर का था पापा?
ये करीब 2.5-3 अबाउट 3 किलोमीटर.
अबाउट 3 किलोमीटर चढ़ाई उतार सब कुछ था. आई थॉट मैं तो नहीं कर पाऊँगी बिकॉज आई एम सॉर्ट ऑफ शिट, बट आई डिड इट. एंड पापा ऑल्सो. एक्चुअली ये तो कर ही लेंगे, तो जाते ही रहते हैं ट्रैक पे. तो हमने ना पूरा 360 लिया. सी आई शो यू. वहाँ पे ना एज यू कैन सी ना फ्रेंड्स, वहाँ पे टेंट्स वगैरह है. हमने खाना वाना सब वही बन रहा है, तो वहाँ हम छोड़ के गए थे. और हम पूरा 360 लेके यहाँ आए. हम स्ट्रीम के उस तरफ थे और अभी हम इस तरफ हैं. तो वी कंप्लीटेड द होल ट्रैक एंड आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ इट यार. आई डिड इट. चलो अब अपना बेस पे चलते हैं और उसके बाद भूख लगी है, कुछ खाना खाते हैं. And here is mom where we left her. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
अच्छा मम्मी खाना खा रही हैं. नॉट खाना, स्नैक्स खा रही हैं. हाँ खाती हूँ. So here is mom. Okay guys, so now I'm super tired and I'll catch you once we are having some lunch. Till then, guys, so we are having like lunch and as you can see everybody's having lunch over here. I'm having some with papa only. So I'll show you what we have. It's really yummy. It looks really yummy. So this is what we are having, like dal bati and बैगन का भरता. उसके बाद salad and yeah, of course dal bati, as I said. Yeah, we're gonna be having this and it looks yummy and I'm gonna dig in. Okay guys, so mom and me are having tea after lunch. It's good, like it's really good. They've made it here only. And yeah, we're just sipping on it. Sitting on a log, fallen tree, and just sipping tea together. Yum. You like it, mom?
Yes.
It was so good. It was so good. I liked it. Leaving in a few minutes. I guess there is some certificate distribution. We'll see about that. Yeah. Till then, we are enjoying. So yes, guys, we had our lunch and we are packing it all. The food was yum, guys. It was yum. I was not planning to eat much, but it was good. So I ate some, and I guess it's winding down now. Maybe a few things left. I'll keep you posted anyways. So yeah, we'll go back, and that's how my day went. this beautiful place in the wilds.
अच्छा, आज के फोटोग्राफ्स हम लोग YHI लेक सिटी यूनिट भोपाल के पेज पर इसको डालेंगे, तो आप लोग यहाँ पर पोस्ट कीजिएगा फ़ोटो, तो सब लोग आपस में शेयर कर लें। जो लोग उस पेज से जुड़े नहीं हैं तो वो इससे भी जुड़ सकते हैं। अच्छा, मैं आप लोगों से ये रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि आपके और फैमिली मेम्बर्स और फ्रेंड्स को भी आप लोग इन्वॉल्व करें YHI के साथ में, कि वो भी इस तरह से हमारे साथ जुड़ें, उनकी मेम्बरशिप भी आप दिलवाएँ उनको, ताकि वो लोग भी आएँ और फिर हमारे इस तरह के ट्रैक को, नेचर को एंजॉय कर सकें। हालांकि होता है कि कुछ लोग बिल्कुल लास्ट इवेंट पे आते हैं तो हम उन्हें ले जा नहीं पाते, क्योंकि ट्रैक हमारे पहले ही पैक हो चुके होते हैं। तो पहले से अगर मेंबरशिप ले लेंगे तो उनको पहले से पता चल जाएगा 7 दिन पहले कि हाँ भाई कोई ट्रैक जा रहा है, तो फिर वो आएँ, उनको मैसेज मिलेगा तो वो जुड़ पाएंगे। लास्ट इवेंट में फिर जुड़ना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है। चलिए अब हम लोग चलते हैं अपने सर्टिफिकेट्स की ओर।
Right guys, so certification and group photos all done. I got the certificate. Achha, I was not expecting this, but yeah, I got it, and now we're gonna be moving out. So again, a climb ahead, and then we'll get to our cars and back to our homes. Guys, made it to the top. नीचे से आए हम लोग, and पीछे कार खड़ी है, that black one. Yeah, so let's go. It was super fun, you guys. As I said, that tracking was the best part. मुझे लगा नहीं था मैं कर पाऊँगी. I did good. Okay, we are till our car. Now we load everything back and on to our way back home. So yeah, we are back. We are heading back. कैसा लगा मॉम डैड?
मज़ा आ गया, बेहतरीन।
पापा को तो मज़ा आया होगा, ट्रैकिंग पे गए थे मेरे साथ, मम्मी नहीं गई, शी वाज नॉट फीलिंग इट, बट इट्स ओके, शी एंजॉयड, राइट? यस, द फूड वाज गुड। सो या, दिस वाज डे, लाइक टाइम क्या हो रहा है?
टाइम अभी हो रहा है 6
बज रहा है। ओके, हम यहाँ पे कब आए थे? सुबह 9 बजे। सो सुबह 9 बजे से यहाँ 6 बजे तक। नाउ वी आर हेडिंग बैक, एंड या, आई विल सी यू वंस वी रीच होम।